best part of deploying and supporting Apple products today is that they are designed around one another. Talking about the Mac, today I can confirm to you that we have the strongest Mac lineup for your employees ever. The benefit of deploying the Mac in your organization comes both ways. And the first one is about your employee. When people have tools that they are happy to work with, you can then require a bit of higher level of productivity from them.
We're not here to sell you a product. We are here to help you to realize your dreams, ladies and gentlemen. And why do we do this? And we do it because we believe that it's the fundamental right of every customer to access the same Apple products and services experience in Tanzania as they would elsewhere in the world. We do it because we believe you deserve the best. We invest in ensuring our team meets the global standards. So when we do work on your equipment, you can be sure the people who worked on it are giving you the same quality anywhere else in the world. And in short, if you want to take one phrase away, that's it. If you deal with us, you have peace of mind.